The restaurant industry is at a crossroads as it relates to adopting sustainable practices. It is a necessity, and the way we operate the F&B business can help cut down on our ecological impact and pave the way for a better future. The ingredients of any restaurant are the most important aspect of its operation, and by sourcing local, restaurants can cut down on their carbon emissions and enhance the quality of their food. Not only does this support local farmers, but it also helps guarantee the freshness of their food. In order to operate efficiently and effectively, it is important that restaurants implement sustainable practices. This can be done through the implementation of various measures such as portion control and composting organic waste. Not only will this help the environment, but it will also boost the bottom line. One of the most important factors that restaurants can consider when it comes to implementing sustainable practices is the use of energy-efficient kitchen equipment. This can be done through the installation of high-efficiency appliances such as induction cooktops and low-energy refrigerators. An eco-friendly interior design can help enhance the experience of dining. By utilizing sustainable materials like bamboo, recycled glass, and reclaimed wood, one can balance the use of resources with the essence of nature. One way restaurants can contribute to the water conservation efforts is by implementing low-flow faucets. They can also enhance dishwashing techniques and serve water upon request, all of which can help minimize wastage without compromising the quality of service they provide. The entire team must be empowered to adopt sustainable practices. In order to instill a sense of responsibility beyond the workplace, employees must be trained on how to properly segregate waste, source responsibly, and conserve energy. Today, consumers are more aware of their actions when it comes to choosing restaurants. By communicating the details of their restaurant's sustainability efforts through social media, menus, and websites, it can build a connection between the restaurant and its customers. In the restaurant industry, sustainability goes beyond trends. It is an essential component of an organization's operations. By utilizing locally sourced ingredients, adopting energy-saving equipment, and creating a more eco-friendly setting, restaurants can help pave the way toward a greener tomorrow. Through education and training, the entire restaurant community can make a commitment to becoming more sustainable. This will help ensure a healthier planet and a flourishing industry for many years to come. The significance of employing sustainable practices in the F&B sector is acknowledged by the restaurant trade, as environmental issues become more prevalent around the world. As a result, operators are increasingly playing a vital role in shaping their establishments to uphold sustainable principles. Uncover the remarkable transformations shaping a greener future with our comprehensive coverage of sustainable F&B management. One of the most important factors that restaurant owners and managers can consider when it comes to implementing sustainable practices is the sourcing of ingredients. Doing so can help minimize their carbon footprint and provide a more positive experience for their customers. In an era of sustainable dining, it is important that restaurants take the necessary steps to minimize food waste. This can be achieved through the implementation of efficient waste separation techniques, better portion control, and innovative cooking methods. Embracing the idea of using every component of an ingredient, from raw to finished, can serve as a responsible example of the industry's culture. An interior design that is mindful of ecology and aesthetics can be interpreted as a reflection of a restaurant's commitment to being more sustainable. By utilizing materials that are made from recycled metals and reclaimed wood, a restaurant can create an inviting and warm atmosphere while also reducing its energy consumption. This concept can enhance the dining experience. In times like these, when water scarcity becomes an issue, restaurants can make a significant impact by conserving water. Doing so can help preserve this resource. In addition to implementing water-efficient fixtures, restaurants can also educate their customers about proper usage. By taking the time to enjoy every drop, establishments can show their commitment to a greener future. The key to implementing sustainable methods is teamwork. Every member of a restaurant's team must be empowered to take part in the process. By providing training to their staff, restaurants can empower them to become involved in the company's environmental initiatives. This type of education can also influence the decisions of employees and promote a green culture among customers. The goal of transparent communication is to build trust between customers and establishments. By openly sharing information about their eco-friendly practices through social media, menus, and websites, restaurants are able to invite people to be part of the journey. This commitment can help raise awareness about the importance of sustainable practices. As the pursuit of sustainability in the restaurant industry continues, more establishments are becoming pioneers in positive change. By sourcing local ingredients, creating eco-friendly environments, and promoting transparency, these establishments are helping shape a more sustainable landscape. The efforts of these establishments will continue to leave a lasting impression on the environment and the industry as the world continues to evolve. Let us continue to celebrate the flavors of today and help nurture the future. The increasing significance of the management of food and beverage establishments with sustainable practices has become more apparent in the current dynamic of the industry. As the world focuses on preserving the environment, it is important for restaurants to adopt eco-friendly methods. This article looks into the different facets of the sustainable management of food and beverage establishments, providing readers with a glimpse into the transformative approaches that are shaping the future of the industry. One of the most important factors that restaurants can consider when it comes to implementing sustainable practices is the sourcing of their ingredients. This method can help them reduce their carbon footprint and enhance the experience of their customers. Not only does this practice support local agriculture, but it also helps minimize transportation emissions. The issue of food waste should be considered conscientiously. Restaurants are starting to implement strategies that aim to reduce the amount of waste, such as precision portioning and using innovative methods to maximize the utilization of ingredients. Such establishments are showing their dedication to the preservation of resources by adopting sustainable practices. The interior design of restaurants is becoming more conscious of the environment. They are incorporating materials that are made from sustainable resources, such as recycled glass and reclaimed wood, to create an inviting environment that's also a reflection of their sustainability goals. Due to the scarcity of water in the world, many restaurants are starting to implement measures that aim to improve their water management. These include implementing low-flow fixtures and optimizing their dishwashing operations. These practices can help them convey the message of water stewardship and show their commitment to preserving the environment. Through education, businesses can foster a culture of responsibility and sustainability. Implementing comprehensive training programs can help employees become more knowledgeable about sustainable practices, which can then influence their personal lives and contribute to a more eco-friendly community. A transparent conversation between a restaurant and its customers can help build a bridge between the two parties. Through social media, menus, and websites, establishments can share their sustainability goals and encourage people to join them on their journey toward a more sustainable future. This type of dialogue also promotes a sense of cooperation. As the vanguards of change in the quest for sustainability, restaurants are leading the way by adopting practices that aim to minimize waste, use locally sourced ingredients, create eco-friendly environments, and fostering transparency. Such establishments are helping to make the dining experience more harmonious. The positive effects of these initiatives can reach beyond the restaurant's walls. They can influence the operations of other businesses, inspiring consumers to make informed decisions. As we enjoy the current flavors, let us take time to recognize the significance of F&B management sustainable practices.